In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your stock money to your bank account on Robinhood. So, the first thing to understand is that when you sell your stocks, the money doesn't go directly to your bank right away. It first goes into something called your buying power, which is basically the cash balance you have available in your Robinhood account. Now, if you just sold a stock, you might have to wait a few days, usually 2 business days, for the funds to settle before they become fully available to transfer. This is a standard process for stock sales on any trading platform. So, to get started, open your Robinhood app. On your home screen, scroll down to the section that shows your stocks and ETFs. Choose the stock you want to cash out. Tap on the stock, and once you're on its page, tap the Trade button. Then select Sell. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option to enter how many shares you want to sell, or just tap Sell All if you want to sell the entire position. Once you've entered the amount, swipe up to submit your sell order. After that, your stock will be sold and the money will appear in your buying power balance. Once your funds are available, it's time to transfer that money to your bank account. To do this, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. Then tap the 3 lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Transfers. On the Transfers page, you'll see 2 main options: Deposit or Withdraw. Tap on Withdraw. It'll take you to a screen showing your available balance and a space to type in the amount you want to transfer. You can withdraw any amount up to the total available in your buying power. After typing in your desired amount, tap Continue. You'll then see a confirmation screen showing where the money will be sent. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, you can choose which one to send it to. Once everything looks good, tap Withdraw. And that's it. Your stock money will now start transferring from Robinhood to your bank account. Depending on your bank, this usually takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. That's how you transfer your stock money to your bank account on Robinhood using the app.